Developments coming in. Aam Aadmi Party leaders, including Chief Minister Atishi, claim that Election Commission of India officials and Delhi police had raided Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Man's residence in Kapurthala. ECI defended the operation, stating it was following protocol and stated that the search could not be conducted as the rooms in the premises were locked. The AAP leaders called the raid the BJP's yet another politically motivated move. They slammed the party for misusing agencies to target opposition leaders while ignoring blatant violations of the Model Code of Conduct by Bharatiya Janata Party leaders. Shubh, in terms of this raid that took place at Bhagwant Man's residence, now we're seeing that again ECI is justifying that, and Aam Aadmi Party is again hitting out at EC officials who conducted raid.
Yes, definitely, because we were also present at that time when Election Commission came here to the Bhagwant Mann residence. Whenever he comes to the national capital, Kapurthala House is the allotted house where Bhagwant Mann generally stays, because it is a government allotted building to CM of Punjab. When Bhagwant Mann was there, Bhagwant Mann had a rally also in the national capital for campaigning for Aam Aadmi Party, and meanwhile the Election Commission came to the Bhagwant Mann house for raid because they have received a complaint while by this C-Vigil app. C-Vigil app is the app of Election Commission of India where voters can complain that if they see that any malpractices has been happening. So a complaint was received by a C-Vigil app which says that cash is being distributed from the Kapurthala house, which is Bhagwant Mann house. So definitely the Election Commission flying squad team reached there. They have arrived around 4 to 4:30 p.m. They have struggled for around 2 hours. They were given entry at 6:25, and when they were allowed to enter, hardly 10 minutes after, they came out of the house and they told us exclusively that they were not allowed to carry out their search operations because the houses were locked. And on the other hand, Bhagwant Mann is commenting on the platform X, where he's stating that all his house has been stained. But Election Commission officers have another story to tell us, because just after 10 minutes, they have came out from that house and they have been stating that we are not being allowed to carry out search operations because the door has been locked. And that is why they cannot carry. And also the presiding officer of the Election Commission, who was also coming with the Election Commission team, that is the returning officer, O.P. Pandey, he will file a complaint, and he will give all the reports to whatever has happened in the Kapurthala house when his team went there, because there is a protocol that 100 minutes is the time when Election Commission have to take action. And this time has been passed, but they were not allowed to enter. So definitely Election Commission will now take a stand on this matter, because their team is not allowed to carry that investigation, which Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that they... Back to you.
All right, Shubh Rana, thank you so much for joining us. Meanwhile, some political readers have reacted on this. Let's in fact listen in.
ये पहली बात है, भगवंत मान जी का घर नहीं है ये कपूरथला हाउस है, जहाँ पे जाके सभी वीआईपी रुकते हैं। गवर्नर भी वहीं रुकते हैं, पंजाब के गवर्नर भी, पंजाब के सीएम भी, पंजाब के उप मुख्यमंत्री। दूसरी बात, पंजाब के गरीब लोगों से पैसा लूटकर, पंजाब का खून चूसकर दिल्ली के लोगों के ऊपर इलेक्शनों में उजाड़ा जा रहा है। भगवंत मान जी, ये कैसी इंसाफ है? आप तो बदलाव की राजनीति करने आए थे, अब पंजाब के गरीब लोगों का खून चूसकर, पंजाब को कर्जे में डुबाकर, 5 लाख करोड़ कर्जे के नीचे दबा हुआ पंजाब है, और उसके खून चूसकर आप करोड़ों रुपया लेकर दिल्ली आए हुए हैं और दिल्ली के इलेक्शन में पंजाब का पैसा उजाड़ रहे हैं। और जब आपसे सवाल पूछा जाता है तो आप कहते हैं जी मेरी घर वालों के कपड़े निकाल लिए, हमारे औरतों के कपड़े निकाल लिए, शर्म आनी चाहिए।
देखिए, इलेक्शन कमीशन इंडिपेंडेंट है। जहां में भी कंप्लेन आएगा और प्राइमा फेसी कमीशन सेटिस्फाइड होगा, वहां एक्शन होगा। तो भगवान मान एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट में बैठा हुआ है, उनको कमीशन को सहयोग करना चाहिए और उनको एलिगेशन काउंटर एलिगेशन से उनको बचना चाहिए। इसलिए अगर आप भी बोले वो कर रहा है, मैं कर रहा हूँ, ये भी मार रहा है, मैं भी मार रहा हूँ, वो भी पैसा ला रहा है, मैं भी कर रहा हूँ, तो कानून का राज कैसे चलेगा? तो कमीशन को आप कंप्लेंट दीजिए अगर कोई बीजेपी ने कुछ किया है, लेकिन आपने जो कर रहा है या कमीशन आपका घर में तलाशी लेने आ रहा है, तो आपको तलाशी में कोऑपरेशन करना चाहिए।
Moving on, some news coming in from Mahakumbh. A 3-member judicial commission has been tasked with